Hi. Sorry. Hello, I'm Katrina Dela Cruz, and I was a patient here at Rehab and Revive. So 3 months ago, my health started to deteriorate. It was a horrible and complicated downward spiral of health issues that occurred roughly in this order: stomach acid refluxing up to my throat, panic attacks, difficulty swallowing, throat tightness, inability to eat without throwing up, or having severe upper abdominal pain. Several nights of insomnia, waking up drenched in sweat, feeling my heart palpitate even if I had just woken up, piercing lower back pain, and the inability to fully relax the muscles around my abdomen, and a constant buzzing sensation and twitching throughout my body. Numbness, tingling, ringing in the ears, difficulty concentrating, standing, sitting, and struggling with feeling exhausted all the time. Every single test I did came out normal. I was diagnosed with anxiety, gastritis, tachycardia, acid reflux, heartburn, allergies. I was told to take Claritin, proton pump inhibitors, Ativan indefinitely. I had desperately tried multiple acupuncturists, chiropractors, supplements, painkillers, IV therapy, float therapy, meditation, among other things. Nothing helped me get back fully to 100%. The mental, emotional challenge of not knowing what was happening to my body was often worse than the physical pain itself. Things got bad enough that the week before I had my first appointment at Rehab and Revive, my family was urging me to quit my job, put a hold on my career, and move back home until we could figure out what was wrong. That was the depth of pain and confusion I was in before coming here, and as you can tell by me basically pouring my heart out in this review, the incredible thing is that through Dr. Lin's brilliant understanding of the body and his neuromechanical therapy methods, little by little my health and my life started to piece back together. I've just finished my 12th session and my health has made a complete 180. I didn't need to quit my job. I can walk, stand, eat, sleep, sit normally. No more crying out of desperation or going from doctor to doctor only to be met with disappointment and fear. I can go to work, go to the grocery store, enjoy time with my friends and family again. PT sessions have been the highlight of each week as I get to learn more and more about my body, its interconnectedness, and its capacity for healing. It's really strange reading it. Like a year from then, it actually makes me feel really emotional because it was an extremely difficult time, as you can tell from the review for me. It's just insane reading and remembering all of the things that I had experienced and all the different types of pain that I was suffering through, whether it was like not knowing, not finding any help from doctors or just physically not being able to function with my life normally, to coming here in the first session, being heard. I remember like making the phone call to like Rehab and Revive, and like scheduling, and on my calendar it was like beacon of hope, like this is like I'm gonna do this and I'm so excited to go. There would be periods where like I would eat and then I would feel my heart palpitating like right after I ate, and everyone I would turn to and explain that to, they'd be like, you're just like that, this is normal, or like you're just imagining things. But I'd bring it to Dr. Lin and he'd do something and it would like the next day it would be better, and it was just incredible. And I'd excitedly go to him, tell him like I'm able to like eat and not feel abnormal, or like there's not these weird things happening in my body that I can't explain. I had done some research about the vagus nerve and I was talking to Dr. Lin about it. I was like, I think there's something here, and he's like, he knew obviously what he was doing, all these things that other doctors couldn't speak to or talk about. So I remember like that first day he had helped me in that area, and the following day it's as if all of the energy that I didn't have while I was like sick with different issues, like I was able to concentrate better. I was able to stand up and wake up and finally like focus on my work. It was so incredible, and so distinct how what Dr. Lin was doing was helping me come back on my own 2 feet. It's crazy watching this because like when I look at my own face and my own expression, or just even how disheveled I look. I wore my, like I just grabbed, you know, I was wearing, at that time, like I was in pain, so I wasn't caring about like looking put together or whatever. So I know exactly what was going on in my head at that time, and it was basically just this like desperation, like please help me. And the person that I see here is just trying to breathe. Truly, it's just trying to like eat something without pain, or come home without feeling exhausted. It's just trying to concentrate on like what's in front of me. It's such a weird space to be in, and it made me realize that your life can absolutely change in an instant. The whole program here is really starting with what's at the foundation of your body, and that there's a really keen understanding and mastery of like the body as a whole. And it's not like my shoulder hurts, let's do some shoulder work. It's not like that. It's Dr. Lynn wants to make sure that you're getting lasting change, that you know, lasting change that you can live your life normally forever and not have to like take excessive pills. It's not, what's wonderful about this place is like, it's not about your life is different and you're in pain and you're never going to be normal again. It's about bringing you back to your normal life. It's about bringing you back to what your life was before your injury or whatever it was. Like that was my experience, and I never thought that I'd be at this place again, because I truly believe that whatever I had done to my body, that I'd wrecked myself like completely, and that was a terrifying thought. But coming here and being able to just like go to work and see my family and all these all the normal things that you don't you take for granted, and being able to come here and know that like someone's gonna help you get back to that is like the most incredible feeling.